ZANU-PF is stolen the Glenview South by-election, and guess what? You just sit there and let them do it. I'm mad as hell. They got the same useless votes as last time, and the opposition who used to crush them is now dead silent. And you just watched like cowards. Sanapita mashoko aniya panapa chinza aiwa ZANU-PF yoya ichiba aiwa mavotes eku Glenview, but people did nothing. Apana kana chamboitiwa. Sanapita mashoko amdanyiro panapa awadori subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV na Masimba News amdanyira chiti. How can a party that yes robbed us for 45 years come back like nothing happened? It's obvious they cheated, but even worse, it's like you don't even care anymore. Glenview used to fight. Now it looks like you've given up. Let the same criminals walk back with their lies. You didn't stop them. That's shameful. Where are the real leaders? They are quiet, hiding, playing politics while people starve. The opposition is weak, spineless, but the worst betrayal is from you, the people. You didn't vote, you didn't protest, you didn't fight. You handed ZANU-PF your future on a silver platter. This is not just about an election, it's about your freedom. You let thieves and murderers take control again. You chose silence instead of resistance. You betrayed your children. You let the enemy win without fight. Masho vanobudanyuko panapa vanoposta mapicture aiwa vanhu vacho vakawina ma-MP vamuri kuona vechidiki vavava vari kutendera pasocial media vachinzi vaone minista venyu vatsva. Panapa vanoposta aiwa mamwe maresults ekumashure kuchiona kuti aiwa ZANU-PF yange yakarohwa ine 3000 and then opposition citizen coalition for change ine 15000, but now maresults aripo aroratidza kuti vakangovhota pasame Glenview iyoyo 3000, the same figure yakawana long back munana 2023 ye 3000 ndo yangowana again now, and then the opposition yese 15000 yavanhu Glenview avana unovhota varamba vari mudzimba. Mashoko ari kuuya pana pachikritisizwa nevakomana veMasimba News vamuri kuona vachiti aiwa Zimbabweans, let us voice up and rise up. Tangorega ZANU-PF ichingohwina, we must show up our total resistance. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndina comment section medu musana subscribe or like, chota the bell icon.